Now, example, if someone is made good to me always and I'm good with him or with her, it's nothing special. Because he's good to me, I'm good to him. She's good to me, I'm good to her. Finish. No speciality. That's nothing. It's not something special. Because it's just exchange of good to good. What you can see my character when I am good with the person who is very bad to me. That's the character. That's what Allah is looking in us. If somebody has good attitude to me and I am good attitude, nothing special. Allah is not impressed with this. When Allah is very impressed, He say, that's my slave, I like him. I like her. Why? Because somebody is evil to her, evil to him, but he always good to her and good to him. That's something special. That's very difficult for a person to do if you don't have a good character. You can easily say, you are doing that, I will do to the same to you. You immediately do go for a revenge. The Prophet ﷺ teach us, he do the good with people who do wrong with him all his life. Whenever they did wrong, he always reply with the good until they become his friends, until they love him. But for us, it's more, a person is keep on doing good with us for many years, and one evil, and you finish everything. I don't like you. One just, thousands of good things to you, and one wrong thing, I don't like you. I am very angry with you. No more, don't show me your face anymore. Get lost here. That is the reaction of the people who are not allowed to go to paradise. Who can easy to react, easy to fight, easy to forget everything, and easy to make destruction. Allah is watching us. He wants us to see the best of the characters. Then He can say, that my slave, I like to bring him paradise. Because he can be entitled to live in paradise because that person has a good character. She has a good character. He has a good character. He deserves to live in my paradise. Allah will not enter people with bad character in paradise. Patient. Many times people want to do, I'm very angry to some people, but I control myself for the sake of Allah. I want Allah to please with me. There are many occasions when people, you don't like to see them, you hate them, and you don't want to help them. There are people who did wrong to me, but I want to help them for the sake of Allah. And that's a true charity. There's a true help. Because you are not doing for your own sake, but for the sake of Allah. Even you are angry with that person, but you are helping for the sake of Allah. That's Allah loves the most. For example, we love our children very easy. It is natural. It is inside our hearts. We force to love them because it's already in our heart more than anyone. We love our children too much because it's from Allah. What is special? You love the other children, and that's very important. It's a very good deed where Allah will love you too much. It is not in your heart, but you love yourself for the sake of Allah. To those children,